Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download presentation from Tome AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as of 2025, this application is not continued and this has already been discontinued. But if you were using Tome AI prior or you have this application currently installed, then you can simply download a presentation by opening Tome AI, selecting a Pro or Enterprise plan, and locating the presentation you want to download. So once you have located the presentation as well, you can simply find the button called Download or Export to PDF on the top right hand side of the corner. There you can simply select Export to PDF from the drop down menu bar, and then the PDF file will be downloaded to your device. So this way you can download presentation from Tome AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.